At the bottom of the Baltic Sea, there was a family of bewitching mermaids by the name of Carrera. They spent their days wandering through amber highways or racing seals and porpoises through the wild and salty waves. At night, they turned to their art of luring mortal travelers with their divine voice. They've abandoned their ships and followed these gorgeous creatures into the dark depths of the water, hoping to cruise through the Amber Kingdom forever. Blinded by the visions, they got swallowed by the Baltic Sea. But one night, a miracle happened. Love made them immortal, and the vision of eternal trips through the amber roads came true for the first time. The whole year passed amidst happiness. When the mighty Tychon found out about the lovers, when he learned that a Carrera had defiled herself in a relationship with a mortal, he became inflamed by anger and blood-chilling rage. He started throwing lightning bolts down the endless amber highways of the kingdom and broke them into billions of pieces. He cast the Carrera mermaid to the bottom of the sea and turned her into a coral reef. Every time someone mentions the legend of this love, the turbulent waves wash tiny pieces of amber highways ashore.